Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a Blurr account, camera access, and the destination link ready. First, open Blurr and go to the Tools or QR section. Tap Create. Enter the target URL or pick a profile and choose Deep Link if you want the app to open natively. Set basic options, name, expiry, and privacy, because those control who sees content and for how long. Once done, hit Generate. You'll immediately see a scannable code to test. Next, customize the QR so it fits your brand and use case. You can add a logo, change colors, and increase error correction if prints will be damaged. This ensures reliability. Make sure to add UTM tags or analytics inside Blurr so you track scans. Then test. Scan with Android, iOS, and a basic camera app. Confirm redirects, deep link behavior, and that any landing preview loads. If something fails, recheck the target URL and app permissions before proceeding. Finally, export the QR in the right format for your use. PNG for web or SVG for large print. Choose 300 dpi for posters. Publish in your campaigns and monitor Blurr analytics to see scan rates and device breakdowns. Adjust messaging or replace codes if performance dips. If scans stop working, troubleshoot by verifying the short URL, SSL certificate, and app deep link configuration. Also confirm the QR's error correction and printed size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.